Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You're watching CID News Network Islamabad. This is Salwa Shams with today's headlines. At least 2 people were killed and 20 more injured in multiple explosions in Jalalabad, city of Eastern Province Nangarhar on Saturday. A Taliban official said that women and children were among the injured, adding that an investigation has been launched to determine the cause of blast. These are the first deadly blasts since the American troops left Afghanistan, ending a long war. Federal Interior Minister Sheikh Rashid Ahmad visited Siachen to meet frontline soldiers of Pakistan Army. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi would embark on a 4-day official tour to the United Kingdom later this month. Reports said that Qureshi will be in London from 26 to 29 and will hold meeting with the British officials on Afghanistan, bilateral relations and others. A special flight of Pakistan International Airlines that landed in Syria after more than 2 decades was flanked by 2 water cannons. Federal Minister for Aviation Ghulam Sarwar Khan and PIA CEO Arshad Malik were also on board on PK 9501. Sindh government has announced a holiday on 22 to mark the Urs of famous Sindhi Sufi saint Shah Abdul Latif Bithai. According to a notification issued by Sindh Administrative Department, all offices, educational institutions and corporations will remain closed on Wednesday. Australia has started reviewing all possible options regarding their Pakistan tour after 23 years absence, as New Zealand Cricket on Friday decided to call off the tour, citing security threats. New Zealand's snub has put doubts on the board of other cricket nations, including Kangaroos, who plan to visit Pakistan next year to play 2 Tests, 3 ODIs and 3 T20s. Hot weather prevailed over most part of the country. However, rain occurred at a few places in Kashmir and northeast Punjab. That's all from today's headlines. Keep watching CID News Network, Islamabad. Thank you.
You are watching CID News Network, Islamabad.